across the USA. Then everybody be surfing like California. You see them wearing their baggies, Huarache sandals too, a bushy, bushy blonde hairdo, serving USA. You catch them surfing at Del Mar, Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Trezzo, Australia's Narrow Beach, all over Manhattan and down Bohemian Way. Everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboards, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing, surfing USA.